Hello everyone, I Kanira Chirag, Faculty of Diploma Computer in Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Welcome all to Lecture 4 of Unit 5, Toast Menu Dialog List and Adapter. In this lecture, we'll discuss about adapter and adapter view in Android and different types of adapter available in Android. First topic is adapter and adapter view. Adapter and adapter view are so popular that every time you see any app with a list of items or grid of items, you can say for sure that is using adapter and adapter view. Generally, when we create any list or grid of data, we think we can use loop to iterate over the data and then set the data to create the list or grid. But what if the data is set of 1 million products? Then using a loop will not only consume a lot of time, making the app slow, also it might end up eating all the runtime memory. All these problems are solved by using adapter and adapter view. In this figure we can see the use of adapter. Adapter is a bridge between data source and UI component. The data source like array, HashMap or SQLite. UI component like list view, grid view and spinner and etc. use adapter to display the data. Adapter work like convert the data item into view items so that they can be easily displayed in UI component. Adapter. What is adapter? Adapter view is a view object and can be used just like we use any other interface widget. The only catch here is that it needs an adapter to provide content to it, as it is incapable of displaying data on its own. An adapter acts like a bridge between data source and the user interface. It reads data from various data sources, converts it into view objects and provides it to the linked adapter view to create UI components. The data source or data set can be an array object, a list of objects, and etc. You can create your own adapter class by extending the base adapter class, which is the parent class for all other adapter class. Android SDK also provides some ready to use adapter classes such as array adapter, simple adapter, etc. And next, what is adapter view? An adapter view can be used to display large set of data efficiently in form of list or grid, etc. provided to it by an adapter. When we say efficiently, what do we mean? An adapter view is capable of displaying millions of items on the user interface while keeping the memory and CPU usage very low and without any noticeable lag. Different adapters follow different strategy for this, but the default adapter provided in Android SDK follow following tricks. It only renders those view objects which are currently on screen or are about to sum on screen. Hence, no matter how big your data set is, the adapter view will always load only 5 or 6 or maybe 7 items at once depending upon the display size, hence saving memory. Second is, it also reuses the already created layout to populate data item as the user scroll, hence saving the CPU usage. Now, suppose you have a dataset like string array with the following contents. String array name is days and contain value like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now what does an adapter do is that it takes the data from this array and create a view from this data, and then it gives this view to adapter view. The adapter view then displays the data in the way you want. Adapter is only responsible for taking the data from a data source and converting it into view, then passing it to the adapter view. Thus, it is used to manage the data. Adapter view is responsible for displaying the data. Therefore, you can take the data from database or an array list or any other data source, and then you can display that data in any arrangement. You can display it vertically, means list view, or in row and columns, means grid view, or in drop down menu like spinner and etc. List view means it displays a vertically scrollable collection of views where each view is positioned immediately below the previous view in the list. Grid view means grid view is a view group that displays items into two-dimensional scrollable grid. And spinner provide a quick view to select one value from a set of value. Touching the spinner display a drop-down menu with all other available values from which the user can select a new one. Adapter in Android. There are some commonly used adapter in Android used to fill the data in UI component. Base adapter, it is parent adapter for all other adapter. Base adapter is a common base class of a general implementation of adapter that can be used in list view, grid view, spinner, etc. Whenever we need a customized list in a list view or customized grid in a grid view, we create our own adapter and extend base adapter in that. Base adapter can be extended to create a custom adapter for displaying custom list item. Array adapter is also implementation of base adapter. Next is array adapter. It is used to whenever we have list of single item which is backed by an array. And next is custom array adapter. Array adapter is also implementation of base adapter. So if you want to more customization, then we create a custom adapter and extend array adapter in that. Since array adapter is an implementation of base adapter, so we can override all the functions of base adapter in our custom adapter. Next is simple adapter. In Android, simple adapter is an easy adapter to map static data to view defined in XML file. In Android, we can specify the data backing to a list as an array list of maps. Each entry in an array list is corresponding to one row of a list. The map contains the data for each row. Here we also specify an XML file, custom list item file, that defines the view which is used to display the row and mapping from case in the map to specified view. Whenever we have to create a custom list, we need to implement custom adapter. And next is custom simple adapter. Whenever we have to create a custom list, we need to implement custom adapter. Array adapter is used to when we have list of single items backed by an array. So if we need customization in list view or grid view, we need to implement simple adapter. But when we need more customization in list or grid item where we have many views in a list item, then we have to perform any event like click or any other event to a particular view, then we need to implement custom adapter who fulfill our requirements and quite easy to be implemented. Base adapter is the parent adapter for all other adapters. So if we extend a simple adapter, then we can also override the base adapters function in that class. We can't perform event like click and other event on child item of a list or grid, but if we have some requirements to do that, then we can create our own custom adapter and extend the simple adapter in that. So these are the different types of adapter available in Android. Thank you for watching this lecture. For more video, like our YouTube channel, share and subscribe.